Kissing your lips, kissing your top to toe, wishing for this, hoping for all we know. Taking my time, seeing the signs, letting you guide me home. Watching you grow, letting you know you are my only. You bring me hope when I can't breathe. You give me love, you're all I need. Slowly I'm holding you closely. You're wrapped in my arms and you're inside me. I am timid and I am oversensitive. I am emotional. I am opening up to you. Love me or leave me, just take it and leave it. It's not that I need it, just need you to see me. Take me, free me, see through to the core of me. See through. Take me, free me. There will be no more pretending. I feel like our world's been infected, and somehow you left me neglected. We found a lie has been changed, baby. You lost me, now I know you're sorry. And we were sweet, but you chose lost when you deceived me. And you'll regret it, but it's too late. How can I ever trust you again? I feel like the world's been infected, and somehow you left me neglected. We found a lie was being changed, 'cause baby, you lost me. No, I'm not bitter, I'm not mad. Well, baby, just a little, just a tad. I know every apple here ain't bad, but I found a woman, every single one I had. Boys, we should pack 'em up and ship 'em out. Boys, boys, boys. I hate 'em, I hate boys, but boys love me. Boys love me, oh yeah. And my friends agree. Oh yeah, boys. The boys love me. Yeah. I hate boys. The boys love me. Like me, they suck, and my friends agree. I hate boys. The boys love me. Oh yeah. I hate boys. My girl, we're running the show. My girl, we're teasing all the boys on the go. My girl, 'cause that's the way that we roll. My girl, so ladies, step it up and take control. Shout, my girls, we're stronger than one. Now shout, and sometimes we gotta have fun. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the sexiest of them all? No man, I am. She is. Oh, she's so hot and sexy. Yeah, I am. She is. She's a badass. Hey! This is her body. Every time I look at me, I tell myself, yeah. P is for Benny, yeah. Thank you, mom and daddy, cause I tell myself, yeah. I tell myself, yeah. So if the shoe fits, wear it, bitch. Read my lips, I'm a vain bitch. Hey, you love no one else, so you love yourself. And if you don't like it, tell them. Get in line and kiss your ass, bitch. I can always find the time to lay out in the sand, watching as the waves roll by makes me understand what it is to make a life that means a little more. Seems so easy to forget what we were looking for. I don't know where I'm going just yet. Scared and working, don't need to excuse it. Long as that flowing feeling I get in the moment makes it really worth it. Hey, forget about your Monday morning. We are never gonna be that boring. Hey, forget about your Monday morning. So ordinary, same old story.